handprint on the left side, and on this side I was able to go in and do the base painting for like around the eye.
This project came to life in conversation beyond just the thought, where we were looking at the where and the how. And so I use a survey in my work to kind of just gauge where my clients are. I don't want to ever assume that I know what they need and want. And so out of that survey, we had about 20 respondents or responses that talked about cultural diversity, innovation, sustainability, the environment, representation, inclusion. And that's a pretty high order when you tell an artist you want a mural that embodies everything that is important to you. But we did that. We took that feedback to heart, and through a dance of ideas and feedback from Anne and Amy and Courtney and her team, we created this work of art that I stand before. So I just want to thank you all. I'm deeply grateful for the opportunity to be here, and thank you all once again to the leadership team for having a vision to bring this to your community, and glad to be a part of it. And with that, cheers to absolute equality. Thank you all very much.
So there was a moment when she was playing one note for an extended period of time, and I was sort of drifting out of consciousness, and I felt like it was singing the same note, or really close to the same note, as my tinnitus issue, which I developed last April. And it was like almost the same note of it, and then when it dropped away, I felt like the tinnitus actually dropped away with it as well, and like that lesson of it, which is great news because it's not something that's been cured. So it's something, yeah.
Hey, great day, folks. This is Reginald Adams, and so glad to be here with my team. I got Irene and Selena, and shout out to all those who helped us co-create this beautiful mural. We're so grateful to be able to co-create with corporate partners who really believe in the power of public art. This mural behind us is just an example of the power of creativity and common bonds. With that, this is Reginald Adams signing out, wishing you all peace, love, and absolute equality. I'm out.